All right, I'm here with Stephanie Johnston with Service First Mortgage, and recently she's been having a ton of success with vacation rental homes, doing her own investments, and then she's teaching realtors and investors. She's doing classes, even with past customers. So I wanted to have her kind of share a little bit of her story, like what are you doing with vacation rentals and how are you using that to grow your business right now? So thanks for sharing, Stephanie, and give us a little story on what you're up to.
Awesome. Well, I started this journey in 2019 as far as personally investing in real estate. Obviously, it's what we live every day and we see our clients make money. And that's kind of why I started down this path. I had clients that were renting, doing short-term rentals in specific markets. And I started to look and I'm like, oh, okay, I see your numbers, and kind of excited me. And I said, hey, my husband, Daniel, let's look into this. It looks fun. It looks different. It looks some other way to diversify. And we started personally going down that path and investing in short-term rentals. Personally, I do everything in vacation areas. I think it's more fun. It's just me, to each his own as far as what works for them for investing. But all of our properties are in vacation spots. We have 7 right now in all different areas. And so in the last year or so, the other thing that was kind of an aha moment to me, which I said, why didn't I think of this earlier, was if I'm going to be doing something real estate related personally, well, how can this integrate and help my mortgage business? So even back into 2019, there were certain markets at Crystal Beach, Texas, which I had started buying in. I started to get loans there. So I said, okay, if I'm going to buy a house there, how many loans and people can I get to do mortgages with me in that area that I would not have had if I didn't have this house? So I did, along those journeys, get with builders, started getting relationships there, clients, direct marketing, and everywhere that I've bought a house, I've started to get real estate business as an expert in that industry. And I do think that us as loan officers, sometimes we underestimate some of that knowledge that we have. We could be using that and tying the two together. So as far as kind of the stuff that I've done to tie it even further together, I started to teach classes on short-term rentals. And so whatever you're passionate it be, it could be all different things. Mine's just short-term rentals. Really think, is this something that the community and the people in front of me need to know? So I first off put off stuff together to real estate agents. The other piece that I had was my next aha is, okay, I teach all these classes to realtors. Why am I not teaching them to my own clients? I'm giving the realtors the information. What about consumer direct? So I did some webinars, and then I've taken that model to some other training opportunities as well, and sending that direct to invite my direct clients on a webinar about whatever we're teaching. So then it's a great opportunity for me to touch base with my database, give them a thing of value, and then maybe they want to buy a vacation rental, right? So it's been really nice.